episode on how to build an exploit GUI, episode number 5. And in this episode, we're going to be learning how to, when you click a button, it's going to sound. So let's get started. So in the description, I'm going to leave this script that you guys are going to copy and paste. And pretty much was this, you're going to change this, core GUI. So pretty much what this does is we're going to add it to here. So when you click a button, it's going to sound. So you'll see in a second. Now I'm going to open Google and you guys will see how to get the buttons. So pretty much you're just going to go on click, you're going to library, you're going to go, wait, it's going to take, sorry, slow PC, audio, right? And you can hear all the buttons you want, doesn't really matter. So let's say I want to use one over here, so you guys I can prove to you guys it's. Oh shit! All right, we're gonna use this one. We're gonna copy the ID. We're gonna go in here. Now we're gonna place the ID right here, right? And to make this, oh wait, there's a 2 right here. I don't know why. Okay, to make this work, we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go click sound. Those little buttons, I don't know what they're fucking called. Play and this. So that's pretty much it. We just made a button play every time you click on it. So I'm gonna show you guys how that sounds now. We're gonna go here. We're gonna disable this. Right. We're gonna copy and paste this. Run command. Boom. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it works. Okay, it works. It works clear, and you guys can edit how loud you wanted it to be and stuff like that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up. I hope you guys like the new intro, and peace.